Hey there, it's Kyle again at GreatVacs. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change out a tool wand on your rainbow tool hose. Alright, let's get started. Items needed, you're going to need your tool hose, a new tool wand which you can purchase from us, and possibly a heat gun. What you're going to want to do is take your tool hose, and you're going to want to firmly grasp the tool wand. And you're simply just going to pull the tool wand out. But let's say it's stuck in there and won't come out. That's where the heat gun comes in handy. Plug it in, turn it on, heat this rubber part up for maybe 10 to 15 seconds. It'll loosen it up and this will make taking the tool wand out a lot easier. Once the tool wand's out, grab the new one. All you gotta do is simply pop it back into place like so. And just like that, you're done. I hope that video was quick and helpful for you. If you need any new tool hoses or tool wands, links for purchases will be in the description below. Or if you have a suggestion for a video you'd like to see, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Or if you need any extra help, go ahead and send us an email at service@greatvacs.com. And as always, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.